The instructor explained it carefully and clearly and let us practice first. If I didn't do it well, the instructor would remedy it. The price is reasonable and it's a good experience. I have never had a handmade experience before. This activity combination is really great. I look forward to taking my friends with me if I have the opportunity. Experience in making universal coin purses. Arrive early. The studio is not big, it should be able to accommodate 3-5 people at a time. The teacher is very hearty. The space is bright and comfortable, and there are many beautiful finished products on the wall. If you want to change the production project on site, you can also discuss with the teacher to make up the difference. This time I made a universal coin purse, which can be stamped with customized English words. The teacher will give us a piece of leather to practice without urging us. The stitching on the back is also very clear and simple. The production process is very quiet, and we can concentrate on making handmade coins. Make it for someone you like, enjoy it. And the finished product is very beautiful. Thank you, teacher, I think it is very valuable. It's a very good experience. You can choose different colors of leather or thread, and there are also different styles of buttons to choose from. You can connect them one by one according to what you like, which gives you a great sense of success. An inconspicuous studio hidden in an alley in the central district of Taichung. The interior is very warm and the service staff are very patient. Today I made keychains and the performance was very good. The location is a short walk away from the audit. It's a small shop. The handmade parts are very standardized and not too difficult. Maybe I haven't tried the really difficult ones yet. Haha, the clerk is very professional. Although the process of hand making a leather keychain is simple for the first time, the teacher is very careful in teaching and the leather texture of the store is good. The finished product is also very beautiful. It is very suitable for couples, family and friends to try together. After the first time, it is worth it. I will come back next time to challenge leather handicrafts such as wallets and so on. When I came to Taichung this time, I was looking for a handmade workshop and I found this one on Klook. It is very suitable for best friends or couples to go together and simply make small items to increase the relationship between each other. Great sense of accomplishment. Temporarily added another handmade super fun. Experience, picking and doing it yourself is actually quite fast. It takes about an hour or so, and it's not difficult at all, very easy to get the hang of. There were only 3 of us in the first session in the morning, and the store let us park at the door to save us the trouble of finding a parking space. I paid extra to have it made into a coin purse, which was very interesting. I could choose the color combination and engraving, and the store owner was very patient in guiding me, so I would not fail. If I have the chance, I will make more difficult leather products. The teacher is attentive and polite. The finished product is cute. The teaching is simple and easy to understand. Recommend to every novice. Use Klook to purchase travel itineraries, transportation coupons and attraction tickets. It's really cheap and convenient. Worth recommending. There are many types online, and the dimensions, difficulty level and time required are detailed. You can contact us first to inform us of the replacement item. The teacher is kind and everything should be successful. Use Klook to purchase travel itineraries and transportation coupons. It is really fun, convenient and saves money. It is a recommended travel app.